Okay, today we're here at the Knott Farm Marketplace, and I have two Kit Kats that were from Paul from Critical Eats Japan, and these were Patreon snacks that he gives to his Patreons who are at a certain level. And so this one is Sakura flavor, which is cherry blossom, not cherry but cherry blossom flavor. And then this is Ichigo Daifuku flavor, which is like a strawberry mochi type flavor. So let's open this one first. Okay, these are individually wrapped. And they have a little place on the back for you to write a little message to somebody, and it's because Kit Kat in Japanese sounds a lot like Kitsukatsu, which means you will do great or something. I never remember what it. Oh dear, it's so melted.
I'll be right back, buddy.
It got a little melted in the shipping. Okay, that's a zombie-looking one. It's kind of a light, like salmon color. It's a very light flavor. If it's a Sakura flavor, it's just really, really light. Almost just tastes like a vanilla Kit Kat to me. I don't know. That one's okay for me. This one is already open and some of them are gone because I think we did a review on it and it never got recorded, so we got to do it again. So this one actually came way before this one did. And this is like a strawberry mochi type thing. This one looks a lot better. It's actually intact. It's not all melted. Ooh, this one. This one actually smells fruity. I'm not sure about strawberry though. A little bit tart. Yeah, maybe a little strawberry flavor. It is definitely fruit flavored though. I like this one better than the Sakura one. That one's just too light of a flavor for me to pick out the Sakura flavor. So if you ever go to Japan, they have Kit Kat flavors coming out all the time. It's like at least one a month, it seems like. Whereas here, it's like only during maybe Easter and Halloween that they come out with new flavors. And Japan has a lot more unusual flavors for us Americans. So if you're ever in Japan, you know, pick up some unusual Kit Kats to bring home and to give to people. So let me take a bite of this one since I have more of this one. Let me find one that feels like it's. I think they're all melted. I think Paul sent it when it was hot over there. Yeah, it's still kind of Oh. Still kind of deformed. So let me take a bite of this, and I'll see you in the next one.